Nobody forgets their first breathtaking sight of New York, with its glittering, gleaming skyscrapers running its length and the Empire State Building at its core. This is a city where art and architecture, culture and gastronomy, shopping and nightlife meet in a 24-hour adrenaline rush, setting the pace for the rest of the world. Hey everyone, this is Tom from Jess's Top 10 Reviews. Today we are going to take a look inside the 10 most luxurious hotels in New York. So without further ado, let's get into it. Number 10. The Mandarin Oriental in Midtown. The Mandarin Oriental, which faces east and stands high above Central Park, is a beguiling combination of sophisticated Asian elements and crisp modern architecture. Rooms with floor-to-ceiling windows include orchids, silk furniture, and lacquered finishes. There is a 25-meter lap pool as well as a spa with an oriental tea parlor and an amethyst crystal steam room. Mo Lounge, a new addition, serves all-day eating with an Eastern-inspired menu. When the sun goes down, it transforms into one of the city's most popular cocktail bars, attracting a beautiful party crowd lured to the sophisticated ambiance and a vibrant New York below. Number 9. Equinox Hotel, Chelsea. The Equinox is a sleek, sexy, and hip hotel bordered by the High Line just north of Chelsea, with a gorgeous roof garden where the electric lemon terrace provides uber glam partying against the backdrop of dazzling city lights. Equinox's tagline is Train, Plunge, and Indulge, featuring a 25-meter saltwater lap pool, an outdoor dipping pool, a state-of-the-art gym with SoulCycle, yoga on the roof deck, and a stunning spa. If you still can't sleep in the king-sized beds, which are soundproofed and with blackout shades, there's a sleep coach on hand. Number 8. Loews Regency New York Hotel, Upper East Side. This elegant Park Avenue hotel on Manhattan's Upper East Side is all about low-key, power-play beauty and eye-catching decor. The sophisticated ambiance is created in the lobby lounge, which has sculptural illustrator Nina Helm's beautiful springtime tree along one wall. Each of the 6 trademark suites has its own patio and has a whimsical pop art tribute to Andy Warhol, as well as a traditional Italian-inspired 1970s residence. The extremely cool and intimate Regency Bar and Grill is popular with Wall Street executives and design connoisseurs alike, featuring semicircular banquet tables reminiscent of the Mad Men period. Number 7. The Carlyle Upper East Side. This enormous Art Deco icon has stood the test of time as a cherished New York landmark, thriving in its elegant 21st century iteration as part of the Rosewood Collection. The marble lobby has welcomed the world's great and good since 1930, and it is famed for its privacy, exclusivity, and unrivaled elegance. A comprehensive design refresh has resulted in elegant modern rooms and suites, as well as a spectacular chandeliered Sisley Paris spa. The iconic Café Carlyle welcomed jazz greats for the first time in 1955, while the Gallery, an exotic Turkish tea parlor with a hand-painted gold and navy decor, is a local institution. Dowlings at the Carlyle serves classic American fare prepared by Chef Sylvain Delpique. Number 6. The Peninsula, Midtown. The Peninsula is perfectly located on 5th Avenue, just a few minutes walk from Central Park, and provides immediate access to New York's most prominent retail street. From its arching double staircase in the foyer to Salon de Ning, one of Manhattan's most lovely rooftop bars, this towering Beaux Arts hotel is an architectural showpiece. It also boasts a pool with a sun deck, which is a Midtown rarity. The Peninsula is for individuals who like their luxury to be reassuringly old world, with exquisite service and a firm respect to tradition, with a private 24-hour e-concierge service to cater to every desire. Number 5. The Beekman, Lower Manhattan. This Martin Brunitsky-designed hotel's soaring 9-story Victorian atrium is nothing short of breathtaking. The Beekman in Lower Manhattan is fashioned as old-world splendor meets modern luxury, combining reinterpreted historic buildings with a modern residential tower. 2 penthouse suites are made out of twin turrets, which are large vaulted areas with mezzanine bedrooms. Tom Colicchio, the award-winning chef, leads 3 restaurants, including the lively Temple Court Bar and a wisteria-draped rooftop restaurant. The Beekman is a clubby, cozy, and a touch decadent establishment that offers gastronomic and literary excursions for cultural thrill seekers. Number 4. The New York edition Flatiron. This sophisticated, seductive hotel is housed in the gorgeous old Metropolitan Life building in the Flatiron area, which borders the hippest neighborhoods, Nomad to the north, Greenwich Village to the south, Gramercy Park to the east, and Chelsea to the west. Italy, a PNN to all things delightfully Italian, is only across Madison Square Park, and Grand Central Station is close for traditional oysters and drinks. The Michelin-starred clock tower is an intimate, low-lit setting with stunning black and white photography on the walls and a cuisine of British classics. Number 3. The Crosby Street Hotel, Soho. The Crosby adds a touch of London chic to New York's Soho neighborhood. Kid Temp's eccentric interiors are defined by bright colors, vivid materials, and theatrical art installations. Every trendy feature, from the candy-stripped banquets in the bar to the wacky curios, feels distinct and designer. No two rooms are similar, yet they all have high ceilings, Miller-Harris items, and expansive vistas of metropolitan film sets. The Crosby attracts an artsy clientele who hang out on the breezy restaurant terrace and the hotel cinema's Sunday night film group. Overall, it's an excellent base to explore the hip, funky end of Manhattan. Number 2. The Ritz-Carlton, Midtown. The Ritz-Carlton, located at 50 Central Park South, is one of Manhattan's most exclusive locations, in a prime location for shopping, museums, galleries, and restaurants. The rooms have a modern townhouse-inspired style and fantastic Carrara marble bathrooms. The Grand Park View accommodations also have a telescope for viewing the majestic architecture that borders Central Park. Indulge at La Prairie Spa, where the caviar massage and facial is a hallmark treatment. Contour, a Matisse-inspired gastro lounge, provides a day-to-day experience spread across 3 smart areas. Number 1. The Four Seasons, Midtown. The famous Four Seasons is a classic that never appears to date, with a Rolls-Royce house vehicle at guest disposal, vaulted onyx ceilings in the lobby, and a lovely bower of African acacia trees in the restaurant. The penthouse room, which occupies its own level on the top of the 52-story Art Deco-styled skyscraper, has hand-lacquered walls by artist Nancy Lorenz, 4 cantilevered glass balconies, and a grand piano with an Empire State Building backdrop. The hotel is in great shopping territory, with dozens of fashion's biggest labels just a 5-minute walk away on Madison Avenue. Which is your favorite hotel in New York? Let us know in the comment section down below. With that being said, here we come to the end of our video. I hope you liked this video. If so, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss any video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.